Hello friends, welcome to AF channel, enjoy watching.
There have been a lot of rumors about the pyramids. By whom was it made? How was it made? For what purposes? What is in it? There are various unanswered questions in mind, such as: let's focus on what's inside the Pyramid of Giza. Great Pyramid of Giza is the largest known pyramid in Egypt. It was built using 2.3 million individual blocks of limestone, each of which weighed about 2,000 pounds, slightly more than the weight of a Volkswagen Beetle car. The Great Pyramid is located on the Giza Plateau in Egypt, near two other pyramids, the Pyramid of Khufu and the Pyramid of Menkaure. The Great Pyramid was built during the reign of Khufu, who ruled Egypt during the 4th dynasty from 2589 to 2566 BCE. Perhaps the most important secret of all is what lies inside the Pyramids of Giza. As places of burial, the Great Pyramids all contain the tombs of great pharaohs. But much of the structure is solid stone, with passageways and chambers found only at the very bottom of the pyramids. The exception to this rule is Khufu's Great Pyramid. The tomb of this pharaoh is located in the center of the structure, accessible by a narrow staircase. Surprisingly, there are no hieroglyphic texts, treasures, or mummies in any of the pyramids of Giza. In fact, the tradition of decorating tombs came much later in the ancient Egyptian civilization. Instead, the interiors of the pyramids are rather austere. Curiously, the Great Pyramid of Khufu contains a large granite sarcophagus. Carved from a single piece of granite, the sarcophagus would have been too large to place inside the pyramid after its construction. Therefore, it's believed the pyramid was constructed around the sarcophagus. If you visit the Pyramids of Giza today, you can explore the interior of all three pyramids. Guided tours allow you to see the complex passageways and burial chambers for yourself. Well, is it over? No. This structure is not that simple. According to a study, a room with a width of 5 meters was found in the Pyramid of Giza, which was intensely bombarded with light by the devices placed inside the Giza, and it was not known what was going on inside the room. And finally, according to what is told, when Napoleon came to Egypt, he saw the Great Pyramid of Giza and wanted to stay in it alone for a night. The next morning, the soldiers wait for Napoleon at the door and see him come out with a white and frightened expression. The soldiers told what happened to Napoleon, and Napoleon was just silent, and no one told what happened that night. Years pass. Napoleon asks again at the time of his death, "What was in Giza?" Napoleon replied, "You wouldn't believe it if I told you."
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my video.